In this video, I will show you how to fold a bottle easy and fast. Turn your bill around so that the back faces you. Fold your bill in half, lengthwise, and open it back up. We use the crease as a reference line. Now fold this edge to the center crease. Do the same with the other side. Fold your bill together from bottom to top. Now take this part of the bill and fold it down. Open it up and fold this part on this edge. Your bill should now look like that. Now fold this edge to the center. Open the bill here a little bit and push it down. Do the same with the other side. Now fold this corner inwards. And here's your bottle. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!